I love you, Benji.
So I've been getting a little bit more into outerwear recently, more specifically puffer coats. So I thought it'd be a dope idea to kind of make my own personal ultimate puffer coat guide for the early 2021 winter time. But of course, before we get into that, go ahead and like the video if you do enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And if any thought comes to your head, even if it's damn bro, you looking at Q, go ahead and comment it. And lastly, if you're fake as hell and not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so at Grandpa Don't Cry. So getting straight into it, we have 5 puffer coats in hand from 3 different brands, along with 3 more puffer coats that I don't have, but I still want to showcase as well. So starting off with the first brand, this is going to be the puffer from the brand Minimal LA. So if you're not familiar with the brand Minimal LA, it is a brand that originally got pretty popular because it was known as a Fear of God-esque affordable alternative brand, but ever since then they've kind of evolved into a more essential affordable brand with trendy pieces constantly coming out. Again, it's super affordable at $90 US, and it also comes in essential colorways as well as playful colorways. So as you guys saw, I have the more vintage / washed camo colorway of the puffer, and I know they also came out with like a bandana print puffer, so they decided to give it a crop length but a oversized elongated sleeve. So in my opinion, you kind of have to go true to size because of the long sleeves. So you could of course size up if you want, but then in my opinion the sleeves are going to be way too long, so you kind of have to go true to size. So I would say to really keep this piece as a fall / early spring piece, or if you live in an area where you have warmer winters, I think this is perfect for you. So moving on to the next puffer I want to showcase is actually going to be the puffers from the brand UNIQLO. So most of you guys should know about UNIQLO. They do have their men's puffers, but honestly for like the past 2 to 3 years I've been looking for a nice affordable puffer from them, and they're really mediocre with the men's design of the puffers. Like, they're really businessy, if you will. I would actually recommend looking at the women's puffers. So there's actually one puffer in particular dubbed the Woman Seamless Down Parka, which I think is 100 times better design wise than the men's. I would recommend this one also, of course, just sizing up a size or 2. It is on sale from originally $130 to $79.90 in 4 different colorways. So I would really again recommend guys checking this out, sizing up or size or 2, and getting a really affordable essential puffer coat. Moving on to the next coat, if you are a regular to the channel, you definitely seen this piece be featured before, but it's going to be the puffer coat by the brand Cold Laundry. So Cold Laundry is a UK based brand that is primarily focused on the fit of the piece as well as the colors used, and they're super essential and have ultra minimal branding. So this is the original puffer design that they used to come out with. They are now selling kind of an updated 2.0 version with different stitch work on the front. So if you're a bigger fan of the original design, I would definitely recommend looking on Grilled for a pre-owned pair, or you could check out the brand 7th. So this is the next puffer I want to get into. It is dubbed the Moon Coat, again by the brand 7th, previously known as 90s Back. So with the Moon Coat, its design is almost identical to the original Cold Laundry puffer coats, but the only difference of course is that it features a hood, but this hood is fully detachable. You could wear it fully detached, you could wear it flared and semi-opened, and you can also wear it all the way closed. Moving on to the last puffer that I have in hand and my most recent pickup, it's gonna be this Cole Buxton black hooded puffer coat. So this is honestly one of my favorite pieces in a while. I absolutely love it. I've been wearing it almost every time I go out recently, and the design of this coat is just perfect to me. Usually I'm not a fan of the hooded puffer coats, but this one just gives a high fashion-esque vibe that I absolutely love. Also, the main zipper is two-way, so you could zip it up if you like that look, and you could obviously have it with your traditional zipped all the way down look. The zippers used are Riri zippers, and if you guys know, Riri zippers are the gold standard of zippers, so ultra high quality. So this retailed for 400 pounds, which I believe is equivalent to somewhere around 590 US dollars. So luckily for me, I got it pre-owned off of Grailed in DS condition for almost $200 below retail. I was never planning on purchasing it for retail, mainly because of the materials used. Even though it states as ethically downed, I'm pretty sure it's still duck downed. So I'll definitely recommend to you guys, if you're looking for more of the high quality, designer, high fashion puffer coats, I would definitely recommend it getting it pre-owned off of places like Grailed, because not only are you gonna get it for under retail, but you're not directly supporting those pieces that are a product of really evil processes. That kind of segues me into the last puffer I want to feature, which is from the brand the Embassy of Bricks and Logs. So the Embassy of Bricks and Logs is a UK based brand, and what's really dope about them is that not only do they feature high quality designer slash high fashion-esque pieces, but their main mission is to eventually be 100% eco-friendly, and they are already 100% cruelty-free and free from animal product. So the main piece I wanted to feature from the Embassy of Bricks and Logs is going to be a puffer coat that they created in collaboration with Gaz Oakley. So if you're not familiar with Gaz Oakley, he's actually a plant-based chef, also based in the UK, which is going to run you a retail of 400 pounds, which is again close to 600 US dollars. Personally, I think this coat has more value because it's pretty much a 2-in-1 puffer coat. So AKA it's reversible. So on one side, you're gonna get a beautiful essential sand color, and you turn it inside out, you have a primarily black colorway. So again, if you have the funds or you want to just invest in a really high quality outerwear piece to rock for years to come, I would definitely recommend checking out the Embassy of Bricks and Logs. A super dope brand. I'm definitely interested in buying a couple of their pieces in the near future. So with all that said, that is all the puffers. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Grandpa, peace.